Hey, what are you doing? You're cutting the tree?
Now it's getting winter.
No, so what? A nice tree, look.
Why are you laughing? I don't understand why he's laughing. Hello, Kanet friends. Maginaw na dito. Pakita ko lang ngayon yung ubas. Hindi naging maganda yung ginaw. Yung resulta ng ng ubas last itong season na to. Masyado daw maulan. Tsaka besides nasa Pilipinas ako eh. Maski sa Pilipinas maulan. So walang harvest ngayon. Lugi. Ayan o. Pero kailangan ng mapuro nitong mga ito. Hopefully next season may ma-harvest na gagawing juice. Yan o, yan sila. Hindi na pina-harvest ni Daniel. Yung yung buong summer daw puro ulan. So imposible na kung meron kang dito, ano ba 'yun, yung sera, yung meron silang protection, okay pa rin. Kaya lang ako nasa, kita nyo naman yung dahon ng saging. Nagrereklamo. Bakit dito? Maski si David. Last time pumunta kami doon. Ang sabi ni Jean nagrereklamo din daw si David sa dahon ng saging. Yan o. Ako, pinutol ko din ng isang araw. Kasi gusto kong gumawa ng suman. Ayaw ipaputol ni Daniel. Hindi kaya nila alam na tayong mga Pilipina yan ang isang purpose para magtanim ng saging. Yung minsan gagawing plato, minsan pambabalot sa suman. Tignan nyo naman itong kalabasa. Normally pag nagtanim ako ng kalabasa, at this time malalaki na. Kaya nga lang yun nga, ngayong season na to wala daw na na tuloy. Maski yung kila Jean hindi nagtuloy yung kalabasa nila. Normally malalaki tsaka marami. Ayan, nag-iisa. Sinalubong sa akin ni Daniel. Ayan yung pumpun mo kanya. Ay, aray, malamig talaga. Pasok na tayo. And look, there's champignon. And
Yeah, champignon.
can we eat these?
Yeah, eat more.
Oh, can we eat the champignon?
Yeah, eat more.
Ayan, dito. Nakumbinsi ko rin si Daniel na makakuha ng mga ilang dahon ng saging. Kasi kapag gusto kong kumuha kahit na isa, patago parati. Kasi ayaw niyang ipakuha. Nakumbinsi ko rin siya na kasi darating naman na yung winter so masisira lang itong mga dahon na to. Sabi ko patitikman ko siya ng yung yung malagkit na niluto dito sa mga dahon. Yan, so yan, happy na naman. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan ko, no?
Kuha ulit tayo ng ng saging. Kasi hindi naman mahalata ni Daniel kasi ayaw niyang pakuha. Magwi-winter na, sayang naman. Tsaka hindi naman namin nakikita ito madalas. Kasi gusto kong mayroon akong, ano ba yun, lakatan. Lakatan ako ng lakatan, tapos kila Jean, yung lakatan pala, hindi malagkit. Ewan ko ba sa Kapampangan yata, lakatan Oo, yung malagkit. Pero lakatan malagkit.
Hey, what are you doing? You're cutting the tree?
Now it's getting winter.
No, so what? A nice tree, look how big he is. And now you...
Yes, but I need this in bigas malagkit.
Malagkit, yeah, but the boom is kapot. The
No.
tree is...
I will bake for you egg. Go.
I can eat egg without that.
Yes. This is nice, Look.
Yeah. I fix it that he comes so beautiful and now you cut it. Ja, dat is erop.
En toen,
Wat hè?
we beginnen, ik heb geen
Ja. Dat is erop.
Why are you laughing? I don't understand why he's laughing.
Normal is not like that. I never seen it.
Because I said we're going to film and I prepare an orange.
Yeah.
Normally he do it himself. But just for the sake of the video, but I always do.
Yeah, I never see that like that.
I always prepare an
and
egg
with
for
the
you.
paper on the table.
That's not what I want to talk with you. Ale, there got be a little of medical.
It's romantisch dan. We do romantisch. Hey, kabayam.
Not kabayan.
Ah.
Not friends.
Not friends?
You have to.
Yeah.
No, it's getting cold here outside. I think it's a wrong idea to eat outside. What I would like to ask you is why, what is your take, how do you feel, what is your take when I cut banana leaves?
Ja, de beste is je cut it all. Komt je nooit?
But it's getting winter. They all got fallen and rotten. No, because me myself, it's also precious considering in the first time I saw banana leaves here. But then there is a part of me, I'm a Filipina that we just cut when we need leaves. So I want to know, in your part, how do you feel as a Belgian? They need so used to many banana leaves when I cut it.
Pity, ja?
Yes, is it pity?
Ja.
Ay.
Gezellig, hè? Gezellig. Romantisch, hè? Hier in de...
It's getting cold.
in the garden.
I don't understand why he's laughing. Are you laughing because it's cold? But you always eat egg.
So you bring me that every morning now.
No, you can slice.
No,
He can easily slice.
that's only with the picture. You bring me that every morning now.
With video. With a video, you mean?
Hmm.
It's getting cold. I go outside. I go inside. You know what I remember? Every time I do like this. Ah?
Philippines.
Anto? You know what I remember every time I do like this?
Philippines.
Ay, oh, it's kaput. Here. It's another way around. My auntie, when it's holidays, we always have like this in Malagkit. Christmas, feasts. We call that, we are cooking calamari. But this one is already broken, rotten. So this is what I get. I am a happy. Are you seeing me? I am a happy Filipino now. Only with the banana leaves that my husband don't want to give me. Ah! I will show you what Jean did with the banana leaves of David. I have a video from her. I will show you them later. Yippee!
Yan ang aking banana. Nakalbo na. Dahil sa suman. Nagagalit na asawa ko dahil lagi ko siyang kinakat. Ayaw niya ng pakat yung kabila. Ito lang daw ang alam.